All right, in this video, we're gonna do basically the only braid for the noseband. That's the only location where we're gonna do this 8-strand flat braid. So I'm gonna show you how that works. Now that's basically gonna be a basket weave. So if you think of a basket weave, it's literally just weaving in and out. So this is gonna be on 8 strands. It's gonna make kind of like a checkerboard, especially if you do different colors. The flat braid we're going to use on the 8-strand mule tape halter for right here, the noseband. It's going to turn out like that. So I want to show you guys how we do that. You've already learned how to do the round braid, which as you can see here, it's for most of the halter other than the noseband. So as you can see here, you're going to want to again make sure your strands are folded over. And on this one, we're going to start from the right every time. We're going to go right to left. And as you can see here, see if you can see it, you're going to go over, under, over, under, over, under, over. It's just going to be a pattern all the way across, just like you're weaving it. So we're going to go from right to left, over, under, over, under, over, under, and then over. And on this end, you're going to twist it over and go underneath it. Okay? We're going to go back to the right. And you're going to know you're doing it right because it's going to be the opposite of the last one. See here on this one, you're going under. So now this one, we're going to go over, under, over, under. Trying to keep them all folded. Over, under, over. Got a little loose because I'm trying to show you guys. But you're gonna want to keep going through and pulling each one tight. Not super tight, but tight. And you're gonna keep going on that. Going from right to left, right. You're gonna go over, under, over, under, over, under, and last one, you're going to go over and tuck that one underneath. Okay? Over, under, over, under, over, under, and over. Okay, so that's going to be your 4-strand or 8-strand flat braid or basket weave. And so you're going to use that on the noseband of the 8-strand mule tape halter.